So an average penis size ranges anywhere between 4 to 6 inches, right? And in India, the commonest size that you will get is between 4 and 5 inches, not even 6 inches. Hello everybody, welcome back to She the People TV. I'm Dr. Tanushree Pandey, an obstetrician and gynecologist, and also known as your gyne guru on Instagram. So do follow me there as well. Today we are talking about a very interesting topic, something that is not entirely spoken about all the time on this platform, and which is, does the size of the penis really matter? Oops, I've said it. So, all those things that you've seen in porn movies and all the erotica that we've read, that it's supposed to be big and huge and 8 inches is more pleasurable and all of that. Is it true? ये सब बकवास है. तो long story short, सब बकवास है. Size actually doesn't matter. We as feminists or people who are trying to speak for women empowerment talk so much about how breast size shouldn't matter, breast shape shouldn't matter. Similarly, penis ka size, shape doesn't matter. What really matters is your compatibility and how well you speak and interact with your partner and make that entire act pleasurable for yourself and your partner. So an average penis size ranges anywhere between 4 to 6 inches, right? And in India, the commonest size that you will get is between 4 and 5 inches, not even 6 inches. So सबसे पहले तो most of the men, they dwell in self-pity, I think we're just too small and we don't have a big size, and have so much of inferiority complex, and then end up doing weird, funny things in bed. So no, please, whatever your size is, as long as you're confident, as long as you're comfortable, and as long as you are there to make yourself and your partner comfortable, the size doesn't matter. And your partner will enjoy, you will enjoy, irrespective of the size. Now let's come to the medical aspect of it. कि भैया मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के ऐसे preach नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्यों size doesn't matter. So as we know, the clitoris is the part which actually gives maximum amount of pleasure to the woman. And then one end we see right above the urethra, and the other end, or the G-spot that we call, is inside in the anterior vaginal wall. अब एक clitoris का size ही maximum up to 4 inches होता है. So even if you take like 4 inches to be the erogenous part, or the part जो vagina का जो stimulate होके vagina owners को pleasure मिलता है, तो वो 4 inches से ऊपर है ही नहीं. In fact, it's actually, if you see it like this lengthwise, it's actually somewhere around 2.5-3 inches. तो उतना ही part has to actually has the nerve endings जिससे pleasure मिलता है. उसके बाद वाला is just it's just all imagination, and then of course the pleasure that you have of looking at something. So something can look delicious but then not taste delicious or feel delicious or something like that. So if you look at it medically, jokes apart, आपके nerve endings ही initially vagina owners के सिर्फ 2 to 3 inches में है, and उतना stimulation तो a finger or an average penis size can easily do. So after that, whatever is penetrated or inserted is not actually giving you any pleasure, because वहाँ पे nerve endings ही नहीं है. So so this is the part wherein medically also it's proven, and there's enough evidence that size doesn't matter. But of course, if you're somebody, for them a bigger penis is important because it's visually more satisfying, or that is what you enjoy, then of course it's completely your prerogative and you need to speak to your partner about it. But for penis owners, whatever your size is, be comfortable, be confident, respect your partner, respect yourself, and it's all good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like, comment, and share if this is beneficial. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.